present?
Yes.
Why you did not appear previously when it was communicated?
আমি নিশ্চিতভাবে ক্ষমা চাইছি, সেদিন আমার 5 মিনিট
Why you did not appear?
5 মিনিট দেরি হয়ে গেছে।
Yes, on which last occasion? You came, but it was you were late.
5 মিনিট just
Petitioner, husband or the group.
You are not represented by any advocate.
no.
Do you want to engage any advocate, or do you want to appear in person?
লাস্ট রেজাল্ট একটু বলি। আমি ডিআই অফিসে ফাইলপত্র জমা করে দিয়েছি। আমি 21-এ জয়েন করেছি। এটা সে 97 এর কেস, মানে আমার আগে যিনি এইচএম ছিলেন তার জয়েন করার আগে।
আচ্ছা,
আমি গত 12 তারিখ ডিআই অফিসে ফাইল সব কাগজে
12ই
12ই জুলাই
জুলাই
জমা করে দিয়েছি। মূলত ক্যান্ডিডেটের কাছ থেকে এবং স্কুলে পুরানো ফাইল ঘেঁটে তো আমাকে কাগজগুলো বের করতে হয়েছে। বেশি আটকে ছিল মাধ্যমিক পশ্চিমবঙ্গ মধ্যশিক্ষা পর্ষদ থেকে ছুটিটা স্যাংশন ছিল। উনি মারা যাওয়ার আগে পর্যন্ত প্রায় 2 বছর
ছুটি নিয়েছিল।
ছুটি নিয়েছিলেন ইলনেসের জন্য, এবং 20-3-97 পর্যন্ত ছুটিতে ছিলেন, 21-3-97 মারা গেছেন। তারপরে
Whether that leave has been sanctioned?
yes, thank you.
Court has sanctioned this leave.
Yes.
Now the teacher concerned who died in harness or after retirement died?
Died in harness.
Died in harness.
Yes.
Then if died in harness, then family pension and other terminal benefits from 1997.
I joined here.
Why is such a long time?
I didn't know.
Today we are in 2024.
মূলত
That
পেপার
means 24 plus 3, 27 years.
97 মারা গেছেন। 2001 সালে ফ্যামিলি
Then who will pay interest? Headmaster Mosai? Who will pay interest for such delay? And a lady who has lost her husband prematurely lost her husband, the loss she has suffered due to non-payment of family pension for a period of 27 years, how this will be compensated?
জয়েন করেছি তো।
Let the school director lordship. School director to pay
For
compensation.
27 years.
21-এ জয়েন করেছি, তার আগের ব্যাপার তো জানতাম না।
27 বছর ধরে উনি ফ্যামিলি পেনশন বা কিছু পান, whether the provident fund has been paid?
No, no.
Why not?
পেয়েছে।
ফন্ড পাইনি।
Why not? For provident fund, what is required? I will direct the school authority to pay interest on provident fund, because fault is not attributable to the state. সরকারের তো কোনো দোষ নেই। স্কুল যদি হজম করে বসে থাকে কাগজগুলো, তাহলে কি করে পেনশন কেসটা সেটেল করা হবে, ফ্যামিলি পেনশন কেসটা?
স্কুলটার বারবারই জমা দিয়েছে কাগজ, তার তথ্য আছে, কিন্তু মানে ওয়ান্টিং অফ পেপারস এগুলো ফাইনাল সাবমিশন হয়নি।
স্কুল থেকে ডিআই অফিসে সাবমিশন হয়, তাহলে স্কুলকে তো তাহলে ইন্টারেস্ট দিতে হবে। প্রভিডেন্ট ফান্ড 27 বছর ধরে পাননি।
Some paper is required from the
Petitioner did not receive provident fund for 27 years. I can understand that the leave and other thing, board took time, board sanctioned the leave belatedly, I can understand. But what about provident fund?
এগুলো তো আমি আগের ব্যাপার আমি জানি।
For provident fund, what is required? Tell me. For release of provident fund, nothing is required.
Yes.
Only the calculation is to be sent to the DI office and check is to be issued. So why provident fund was not paid?
এসব ফাইল জমা হয়েছিল এসব ইয়ে করে ওয়ান্টিং করে, কিন্তু তার প্রমাণও আছে, কিন্তু এটা ইয়ে হয়নি, ফাইলটা মুভ হয়নি।
পিটিশনার দেয়নি কি কে দেয়নি?
পিটিশনারের তরফ থেকেও অনেক কাগজ বাকি ছিল।
What steps your DI did take?
Directed by Lordship, I have taken the school.
No, this is a writ petition of 2022.
Yes, Lordship directed that earlier headmaster HM Lordship take it.
I am asking your DI that since the papers were sent back to, as headmaster is saying, that the papers were sent back from DI office to
DI office to no, petitioner to HOI. Petitioner submit petitioner to HOI, not for the DS.
পিটিশনারের অনেক কাগজ বাকি ছিল। আমি আসার পরে এগুলো কালেক্ট করেছি। 97 মারা যাওয়ার পরে প্রথম যখন প্রেয়ার হচ্ছে সেটাই 2001 সালে স্যার।
prayer.
হ্যাঁ, ফ্যামিলি থেকে প্রেয়ার করছে যে ফ্যামিলি পেনশন পাওয়ার জন্য।
But what about provident fund?
জানি না স্যার, আমি তো তখন
Provident fund could have been released immediately. I can understand family pension, but what about provident fund? For provident fund, no prayer is required.
No, there is no.
It is his money. And you will find from the records of the service of the deceased teacher that that lady, the petitioner must have been nominated to receive the benefits.
No nomination was there.
But for provident fund, no nomination is required. For pension, nomination is required. Gratuity nomination is required. Why the provident fund amount was not paid? When you have deposited these papers?
12 July.
12 July.
They pay.
From
Right.
12 July to
12 July
today's
is Friday.
15 July.
Lords, I have no guilty in this matter. Lords, I have immediately, Lordship, sent a paper to the Director of Pension and Provident.
Provident fund, within 48 hours, you
Lords,
release
it's
it.
a school, I have not, Lords. It's
Within
school.
48 hours, provident fund is to be released. And so for family pension and other benefits, within 7 days, you forward it. I am directing the Director of Pension to issue pension payment order for release of family pension within 7 days
Yes.
thereafter.
Yes, yes.
And I'm fixing a date to see
Lords,
that
yes.
whether the matter has been,
Yes,
payment has been released or not.
yes, yes.
Issue. When retired?
Third in harness.
Died in her, when died?
20/3/97.
20th March 1997.
Yes.
21st March 97.
Assistant teacher, he was.
Group D.
Group D.
His wife has been engaged.
Matter is
Group
taken
D,
up for
sir.
consideration pursuant to the order dated 20 June 2024. When your name?
Vivas Ranjan Maiti.
Vivas Ranjan Maiti. When Sri Vivas Ranjan Maiti, headmaster of Kalinagar High School, District Howrah, is personally present. Stop. Respondent number 7 makes submission in person. Stop. Next paragraph. The learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that petitioner's husband, who was an approved Group D staff of the aforesaid school, died in harness on 21st March 1997, but till date, family pension, terminal benefits have not been released in our favor. Stop. It is also It is also submitted, not even provident fund has been released in favor of the petitioner. Stop. Next paragraph. Respondent number 7 submits that and respondent number 7 are directed to release provident fund in favor of the petitioner by 48 hours. By 48 hours. Stop. The district inspector, the respondent number 4 is also directed to finalize the family pension case of the petitioner and forward all the papers to the office of the Director of Pension, Provident Fund and Group Insurance, being respondent number 3 by 7 days from date.